Sir, I am mostly in agreement with almost all the principles that the Honorable Prime Minister has enunciated this morning, and yet I beg to submit that from the point of view of logic, I do arrive at the same conclusion as the Prime Minister has done. I may say at the outset that the continued association of my country with the Commonwealth is not justified. The Honorable Prime Minister said that it is very easy to destroy a thing, but it is very difficult to build. I agree that the work of an artist who creates something is difficult and it takes a long time to build a thing, but it is much easier to destroy it. This world of ours is not being created now. It is not something new which is being just brought out. It is in existence with all its faults and good points, and like an artist who is not creating a new thing but who is taking the buildings as they exist and then harmonizing them by trying to join them together. And in that task, it sometimes becomes necessary to alter certain things here and there, and sometimes even to destroy a small portion. Similarly, in the small world of ours, when in the interest of a greater harmony to build a world with possibly a world government with freedom for all and with chances of development to every nation to the fullest extent, it is possible that some of the old association may have to be severed. The British Commonwealth started as a British Empire. It had a purpose in this world, whether it was a colonial purpose or some other purpose. It came into existence with a certain set purpose, and then as the world went on changing, the British Empire also went on changing. Then it was the British Commonwealth, and lastly that world British was dropped. Paracheck. The Honorable Prime Minister said that the United States of America has a closer relationship between the Commonwealth than even India. I support the Honorable Prime Minister's statement, and that is just the reason and just the argument in my favor. If the United States without being in the Commonwealth can have as great association with it or even greater association with it than we have, then sir, our country India remaining outside the Commonwealth can also continue the same association.